Come and fly away with me. 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 Come and fly away with me.
Yo, what's up? Welcome to another vlog. Today I'm very excited because we're going to unbox this brand new GoPro 9. This just came out I think 3 days ago, so we're gonna test it today. We're gonna unbox it and then test it. How we gonna if it's good for vlogging or anything. So let's see what's inside. Oh, it comes with a carrier box. Looks really good. My first GoPro was a 3 and I didn't use it for that long, and I started vlogging on my phone. So I'm very excited and looking forward to use this one today. So it comes like this. Wow. So that's the new GoPro 9, which is a 5K. 5K. That's interesting how it's gonna work. This is my first time, so I'm still pretty excited, but we will test it on the wind and everything. It's waterproof, 10 meters waterproof. So you can do some snorkeling. Comes with a handy notebook. Didn't tell you much, but 33 feet, 10 meters, 20 megapixels camera. Wow, that's really good. Even to just taking a photo. 5K 30 plus 4K 60, 1080p 240. Voice control. 8 times slow-mo, time warp 3.0, 1080p. You can do a live stream on 1080p on Facebook, YouTube, and GoPro. Super photo plus HDR, webcam mode. Oh, so you can use this live streaming on your computer as a webcam. That's really cool. And hyper smooth 3.0 stabilization. So that means you can do a rock mountain climbing or anything and still gonna be smooth. And it's touchscreen, which is really good. I saw a GoPro of my mate, which is an 8, and I can tell that this is bigger. Especially this. This is good for vlogging because they say that you can see yourself here at the front. So it has dual LCD. So when you're taking a, talking to the camera, I can see yourself, which is really good, especially to the people like me that are always looking at the LCD instead of the camera lens. So yeah. Anyway, we'll see. We're gonna test it today. We're gonna go do some fishing, and it's gonna be windy, so it's gonna be interesting how it's gonna come out, the sounds and everything. They said they upgrade the audio. Built-in audio of this one, which is, I did a little bit of research and they are not really good at it, so we'll find out pretty soon. So yeah, let's go. Pew!
So we're here to test out this new GoPro. We're here on the spot. Oh, got tangled myself. But yeah, here's the spot. We're planning to catch some salmon today. So I'll show you. Ooh, that's a really beautiful spot. White sand, just like Manila Bay. Unfortunately, I brought a wrong SD card for my GoPro, so I only got 8 minutes and 42 minutes left, because the SD card that I'm using is the one that I'm using for my drone. So it's quite full. But anyway, I still got 10 minutes to go, and we're gonna do some fishing now. But the important thing is, this is only a test. So if the GoPro 9 is good for vlogging already without the mods setup, it's quite windy here, so this is a good test. We'll see how we go. Let's go. Let's catch some fish. Go. Ooh. Yeah. Yep. What's up? Ano na? Oops. Kumusta na kayo mga vloggers? Wow. We gotta go set up the gear. We'll find out. So we're just using this lure. This is good for salmon. Yep, now we're ready. Let's go. Let's give it a try. Oops. Yep, yep. What happened, mate? Baka may huli ka na. First cast. No luck yet? Let's try! You have to be very careful with this kind of fishing, because it's too slippery. When you fall, you're gonna die. It's kind of fun in hardcore. Anyway, good. Just have to wait for it to sink, and then you lure. You wind a little bit slowly. Hopefully we get some bites soon. Go. Let's change the gear. Yeah. Yeah. I'm wet as fuck. Shit. Woo. Stream. So there you go. I'm not sure, I'm still not sure how's the audio of this, but we're using this a lot without any mods or anything, just the built-in microphone. And I'm still speaking with all the wind and everything. So yeah, we'll see later when I edit this video.
Yo, so yun na yung full review for audio review of this GoPro 9. And I would say it's really good, 100%. I recommend. This is really good for vlogging. Got a really strong wind while we are fishing and all the current and everything, and it still sounds really good. The wind didn't bother me at all. So I'm really satisfied when I'm editing this video. And I can guarantee that this GoPro 9 is probably better than the GoPro 8 on my research. I didn't have one, but yeah. So yeah, go buy yourself one. It's really good, 100% guaranteed. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Let's go. Pew!